Water is the origin of life on Earth. We use it daily for many purposes like cooking, drinking, and cleaning. Making water fit for consumption in our daily lives and bringing it safely to our homes is an interesting and systematic process. The process begins with the collection of water from sources such as underground water or a river. If the source is a river, a water catchment is often used to collect water from the river. The water is then moved to the water treatment plant by gravity or by pumps. The first step of water treatment is the aeration of water. The water flows to the aeration fountain by gravity or a pump. Aeration deodorizes the water and increases the oxygen levels. The water flows down the fountain and in the process gets naturally aerated. The aerated water then flows to the flash mixer, where alum and lime are mixed with water if needed. The water is now moved through an underground pipe to the clariflocculator. Here the impurities dissolved in the water are precipitated by the action of alum. The impurities settle down, which are then scraped with a circular scraper and then flushed outside from the bottom of the tank. The water at the top of the tank is now cleaner. The water from the top is decanted outside through overflow. Water is then moved via channels to the water filters. In the filtering step, water is passed through rapid sand filters to filter out the impurities. Now the water is pumped to softening tanks, where it is mixed with chemicals to soften it if needed. Soft water is then moved to the blending tank, where it is mixed with a portion of hard water to correct the mineral ratio. The clean water is then chlorinated to disinfect it. Uttarakhand Urban Sector Development Agency has designed the water distribution system so that every step of the process is monitored and controlled with SCADA. All parameters of water distribution such as pressure, the flow rate are monitored with sensors connected to the SCADA system. Usage of SCADA is helpful in getting early warning of faults, leakages, and so on. The SCADA operator can use the system to fix the issues or notify the relevant team. Using SCADA increases efficiency and reduces water wastage. Finally, the clean, potable water is moved to the clear water reservoir. From here, the water will either be pumped to an overhead tank or it will be directly distributed to the end users via the distribution network. So this is the story of how the tasteless and odorless water that facilitates life on Earth makes its way to our healthy and happy homes. Fascinating, wasn't it?